Hello viewers! Today, we are covering the 5 best motorcycle exhausts on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started! Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Annpee Carbon Fiber 1.5 to 2-inch Inlet Exhaust Muffler. Still looking for the best universal exhaust muffler that you can use on street/sport, motorcycles, and even scooters? If yes, this Annpee muffler exhaust system is another viable option. The model comes designed to easily fit all bikes with 38 to 51 mm diameter exhaust pipes, making it an incredibly versatile option. The exhaust also boasts of great build quality with stainless steel metal construction. Plus, it has a carbon fiber color vinyl, which makes it look appealing to the eyes. When it comes to producing that classic rumbling sound, this muffler doesn't disappoint. It produces an incredibly loud sound. And the fact that it comes with a fully removable dB killer allows you to minimize the loudness to fit your needs or riding environment. Installing this muffler is incredibly easy for you. It comes with a clamp and hardware for even easier, hassle-free installation. Again, this is a universal muffler that you can use on any bike with 38-51 mm exhaust pipe diameter. It has a fantastic sound and can easily transform your simple moped into a sport bike with deeper, fluttering sound when idling. Highlighted features: aluminum and stainless steel body. Comes with a removable dB killer. Easy install, clamp and amp, hardware included. Stainless steel welding adapter. Universal muffler, fits pipe 38 to 51 mm. Number 2. Our second best pick is XMT-MOTO 4-inch Megaphone slip-on mufflers exhaust. Here's another best slip-on exhaust that will offer you value for money. The muffler features a quality construction of 16G cold-rolled steel for exceptional strength and durability. It perfectly fits all Harley-Bagger touring models 1995 to 2016. The slip-on also gives your bike the ability to produce those awesome deep rumble sounds, not too loud but throaty. And you can always remove the baffler if you need your bike to produce loud sounds. No more listening to the obnoxious sound produced by your old factory-installed exhaust. Keep in mind that this muffle also presents you with flawless fit for all compatible bike exhaust pipes. It has a beautiful finish which is sure to transform the way your bike looks. Overall, if your priority in a motorcycle slip-on muffler is sound, then the deep, powerful sound produced by this exhaust is hard to resist. The deal gets even better with the attractive price tag. This exhaust gives you precisely what you get when you spend in brand names that come with exaggerated prices of up to $600 to $800. Highlighted features: 16G cold-rolled steel construction. Ideal for 1995 to 2016 touring models. Dimensions: 1.75-inch inlet, 4-inch outlet. Awesome, deep rumble sound. Number 3. Our third best pick is Pacewalker Carbon Fiber Exhaust Muffler. This is another universally fitting exhaust muffler for street and sport motorcycles as well as scooters with exhaust pipes with a diameter ranging from 38 to 51 mm. It comes with excellent build quality as it's made using aluminum and stainless steel metal with nice, well thought out welds. The body alone is made using aluminum metal for durable but lightweight feel, while the connector features durable steel construction. The muffler also sounds great. It produces a deep rumbling sound that you're looking for, with or without the dB killer. If you wish, you can always remove the dB killer to get louder sound output. As for the looks, the exhaust system has a carbon fiber finish, which makes it look really appealing to the eyes. It's easy to install and slips on hassle-freely and quickly. Remember, this muffler is backed by 100% satisfaction. If for any reason you're not satisfied with its performance, you can reach out to the manufacturer for a full refund. Their friendly, easy-to-reach support also stands ready to help you at all times. Highlighted features: aluminum and amp, stainless steel body, removable dB killer, delivers deep sound, 100% satisfaction guarantee, universal fit for street/sport motorcycles with 38 to 51 millimeters, overall length 365 millimeters, connection 51 millimeters, slip-on type. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Akrapovic Titanium Muffler Slip. The Akrapovic is also one of the best motorcycle exhaust brands with a reputation that spreads across the globe. Since 1990, they have taken the prize in producing top-of-the-line aftermarket exhaust for serious racers. Akrapovic designed this particular slip on Megaphone to offer you a great balance between the price and performance. It's specially made to fit all the Yamaha YZF R6 2006 to 2018. The exhaust comes engineered to deliver a big power plus torque increase across the full RPM range. It boasts of high-quality titanium body construction, which gives it a durable feel while enabling it to keep your overall bike's weight low. Not to forget that using metal gives your motorcycle the highly appreciated MotoGP touch. And yes, this Megaphone also sports a distinctive noise-dampening insert that you remove to fit your needs. Installing this slip is probably the easiest part. You don't require any technical know-how to put it in place. Even total newbies can put in place without any struggles. Highlighted features: high-quality titanium body construction, delivers big power and amp, torque across the full RPM range, incredibly easy to install, make your bike feel lighter, offers calmer sound with the baffles in place, fits all Yamaha YZF R6 2006 to 2018. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Ducati Scrambler Termignoni Sportline Racing Silencer. The last product on our list of the best motorcycle exhausts is the Ducati Scrambler Racing Silence. A 100% genuine product of the respected Ducati brand, this muffler is specially designed for racing use. The key thing that puts the racing muffler on the map is the thrilling sound delivery with its removable dB killer. It also boasts a full power delivery with its dedicated mapping, an up map that lets you enjoy an exciting journey from the word go. Since this silencer is made from durable steel, it has great build quality and will serve you for longer. The Ducati also features a carbon fiber end cap, which adds that trick factory look to your motorbike. The fully removable dB killer means you can easily take it out of the way to enjoy a louder sound output. Above all, the silencer feels lighter than most of the factory-installed exhausts, so it'll definitely have an impact on your overall bike weight for increased performance. Highlighted features: a genuine product of Ducati, made for racing only, fully removable dB killer, dedicated mapping for full power delivery, easy and straightforward to install, steel body for durability. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.